So this is my buddy Timmy's business, and he professionally cleans carpet. What do we got here, Timmy?
We got a little truck build out. We're working with what we've got. So I built out the back of the truck. We're gonna go investigate some stains.
Let's do it.
In the Grimm household.
Sounds good. Okay, so what are we doing, Timmy?
We're just seeing if we can get some of this spot to transfer onto this white rag. If we can get some of this spot to transfer onto this white rag, we're in luck. And then I can bring in some machinery. We can spritz some more of that chemical, some of that product onto the carpeting, and we can get some counter-rotating brushes on the carpet.
You can't really see it on the camera, but it's definitely like discolored. Maybe, yeah, let's see if I can, I mean, you can kind of see that discoloration. Getting it ready. We're documentarying all of this.
That's good. That's good, I'm glad.
No, watermelon. Yes, praise the Lord, Timmy. Almost feel like you're like watering the garden, except it's carpet.
All of the analogies with Dan. Danielson.
Well, doesn't it look like that? That's what it looks like.
A little bit, yeah. Looks like I'm killing weeds. We don't want the dandelions growing in your carpeting, Dan.
No.
So you can see even in front of your carpeting, or in front of your couch, sorry.
Yeah.
There's a little black mark right here.
Yes.
That's where your feet always are.
Yep.
Right?
Yep. You can see that.
And so nothing over here because that's where your coffee table sits.
Yep.
So we're going to target this a little bit more
Okay.
as well as that.
Okay. What is this?
It's two counter-rotating brushes, and you can think of it as this machine opening up the pores of your carpet and allowing that liquid dry cleaning agent to seep in to the padding. You want this liquid dry cleaning to go down right to the padding of your carpeting. And what that does is it encapsulates all of the dirt within your carpeting, and then when it dries, you take a vacuum, suck up all of that encapsulated chemical, and up comes all of the bulk soil that's left behind.
Okay.
Leaving things fresh.
Oh my gosh. What in the world, dude? I think it's gone. Wow. That's incredible.
So now we're just blending everything. So we don't want to just target one location in the carpet without doing exactly what you did in that one location to the entire room.
Right.
It's going to look like it just rolled.
I can't believe it.
Man.
Like, that is just crazy. Wow. And that was after using OxiClean several times. That big stain was still there. This is incredible.
Taking care of on homes before you sell. Just reach out.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-mm.
This is a big machine.